In this episode, a friendly homeowner revives a tired ceiling fan by balancing blades and lubricating bearings. They unplug the unit, remove the cover, and test blade wobble with a simple cardboard gauge. Then they tighten brackets, reseat bent blades, and dab light oil on the motor shaft for smooth operation. If wobble remains, they balance blades with tape or small weights and warn viewers not to force the switch. The result is a quiet fan, cooler rooms, and a budget-friendly fix that anyone can replicate at home today.